All right, as promised, now let's check in with the weather desk. Letlonolo is joining us this afternoon just to give you a sense of how things are looking. Letlonolo, good afternoon to you. Let's just start with KwaZulu-Natal. It's been the one province that a lot of people are concerned about. We're speaking to our reporter there, and they say there's quite a bit of rain on the ground.
Yeah, and it started just late evening last night. Obviously, it happened into overnight, into the morning, early hours of the morning, and that's where most of the rain. So most of the rain was over the east coast, covering the south coast into the adjacent interior, and this was based on the moisture that was available to create more clouds that results in the rainfall. So it had a reaching high pressure system in the east, which then assisted in the development of clouds that result in rain, but then it accumulated more. I mean, when you wake up in the morning, we reported over like 100 millimeters of rain over areas. King Shaga reported or observed rain and millimeters in terms of water depth was about 131 millimeters, stretching to parts in the central interior, which was between 50 to 60 millimeters of rain overnight. So when you're waking up to the waters, I was not surprised. I mean, even in the models and in the forecasting office from on Monday, we would see the lead time, and it was forecasting around 11 to 8, or rather 8 to 11 to about 12 millimeters. But to wake up and we're seeing the significance of what the impact-based warning was suggesting, it was quite a hit in a sense.
And one wonders then, what is the forecasting, telling you about the weekend? Because we're hearing of a level 4, level 6.
Yeah, I mean, the 6 is mainly for today. We're seeing a lesser number of, obviously, the impact-based warning for tomorrow. It's mainly along the east coast that's still persisting, because we're still expecting more rainfall. So with the rainfall, I mean, we've already observed an accumulation of about 100 millimeters over the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. With the more rain that's coming, an accumulation is helping in terms of the disaster, as we've seen already. So we still have a significant impact of a yellow level 4, which might then still probably go on into Sunday. But for now, we're still seeing an isolated to a sketchy chance of showers and thunder showers, mainly over the eastern parts, and KwaZulu-Natal is also part of that 60%. So we can expect some storms into the weekend.
Sure. As the expert, I'm going to leave you to it.
Good evening and welcome to the weather desk. Take a look at our weather tonight. We're still expecting a sketchy chance of showers and thunder showers. This is mainly over the central parts of the country into the eastern areas. As we spoke with Bongi, we're still expecting a widespread chance of showers and rain along the east coast into the adjacent interior. Now for tomorrow, it's a sketchy chance of showers and thunder showers. This stretches from the northwest into the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, most parts of the central and the southern parts of the Free State, into KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern half of the Eastern Cape. For the northeastern areas, you can expect a 30% chance of showers and thunder showers by the afternoon. South African Weather Service has issued a warning for disruptive rainfall along the east coast and the adjacent interior, which might result in some localized flooding. However, for the central interior, expecting severe thunderstorms that might result in heavy downpours that lead to localized flooding, a possibility of damaging winds, as well as a possibility of hail. But this is not only limited to the central interior. For the central and the southern parts of Limpopo into the extreme northern parts of Gauteng, for tonight, we're still expecting some storms that might result in heavy downpours. For the south coast, damaging winds and waves are expected to result in difficulty in navigation at sea. But for tomorrow, we're seeing a storm surge possibility along the east coast of the Eastern Cape province, which might also help, or rather assist, in the navigation being difficult along the south as well as the east coast of the country. For tomorrow, it's a yellow level 4 warning, still a significant impact warning, which might result in flooding over areas along the east coast. For the central interior, severe thunderstorms are still expected by the afternoon for tomorrow, which might result in heavy downpours that might lead to localized flooding, a possibility of damaging winds, as well as a possibility of hail. For tonight, we're still expecting cold temperatures over the central parts. Bloemfontein will reach a minimum of 15, 17 in Pretoria. For the southwestern parts, Sutherland will be cold at a minimum of 14 degrees. But tomorrow it warms up to 26 degrees. However, for the central and the northeastern parts, still expecting cooler temperatures. Pretoria peaking at 24, 21 in Johannesburg. Musina will be warm at a maximum of 26 degrees. On Sunday, scattered showers and thunder showers will still remain for the central parts, stretching to the eastern areas. KwaZulu-Natal still also covered with a 60% chance of showers and thunder showers. More clouds are expected for the central and the eastern parts. Cool temperatures for the northeastern areas. Extreme southern western parts expecting some warm temperatures. It will be hot in some places in the northern part of the Northern Cape. Now lastly, on Monday, we're still expecting a scattered chance of showers and thunder showers over the central interior. However, isolated showers and thunder showers are possible for the northeastern areas covering Limpopo, Gauteng, Mpumalanga. For the southwestern parts, Western Cape is also expected expecting a 30% chance of showers and thunder showers by Monday in the afternoon. And that's it from our weather. Do stay tuned.